everybody. I'm here once again with my favorite realtor because he's the best. And by the way, I'm just going to tell you right now, the best means that he's ethical, super professional, and knows what he's talking about. This is Stephen Hattie.
Hi.
Stephen's awesome. We're sitting out here in this lovely location.
Imagine.
Because
Oh my God.
why not, right? And a lot of you guys have been writing to me, asking me about real estate, what's available, what are the properties like. And so we want to show you a couple of things here today that you might be interested in.
Absolutely, yes. We're going to show you and show all of you a beautiful project just up the road in front of us while you look at the gorgeous view behind us.
Yeah, obviously the beach is a big draw, understandably. And a lot of people are asking what's available by the beach within a certain price range. So Stephen has something that he's going to pull out of his sleeve here in a minute and show us.
Yeah, it's literally a 1 minute walk from where we're sitting right now.
Okay.
So a great location.
Yeah, so let's take a look. Oh my gosh, so Stephen delivers again, as usual. So Stephen, this house is beautiful.
It absolutely is.
Yeah, tell me about it a little bit. What do we have? What's in store?
So 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom townhouse, brand new.
Yep.
This project will be built in 2 phases. Phase 1 is just about complete, but we do have a show home furnished, ready to go, so we can show you everything in detail.
Nice, nice. Wait till you see what's inside.
It's fantastic.
Come on, let's go. Okay, so as you can see, we have this lovely, little garden, manicured. Look at all these beautiful plants. Lovely, lovely. And there's, just so you can see real quick, a walkway that goes back there, and you'll see why that matters in a moment. Well, you can see now. So when you have your pool person come, they don't have to come inside your house. They can go take care of the pool, or if you have a pet like a dog, right? They don't have to run through the house. Oh my gosh, and it just opens right up. Look at this. All the doors open.
Nice and new, clean, modern.
Yes. Wow, great ceiling fans everywhere. I love how the whole thing just opens right up. You can open up every door, as you can see, and it's like you're living outside, but under shelter. Really beautiful. Look at those blue skies. Amazing. Great, so beautiful appliances. Got a nice Samsung fridge here with a nice warranty on it. Great storage space above and below. Okay, so what's this cool little thing?
Here we have a big storage area underneath the stairs.
Awesome, and so what I understand is that apparently there's some new fancy front-loading washer-dryer combo. So in one machine, you've got both, and it's custom made to fit right in there. So
And there are the water hookups in there if you want to use it.
See, there's the water. If you want to, you could, or it could just be storage.
Big storage.
And then you close it and it's out of the way. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's check out upstairs. Okay, so tell us about these stairs. These are beautiful. What kind of wood is this?
These stairs are, yes, Brazilian oak hardwood.
Wow. Nice.
Nice stainless steel railing, custom made.
Yeah.
All the wood trim is all Brazilian oak.
And they're really spacious. I have to say, these stairs are good and wide.
Yes, they are.
You know? Nice and wide.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and up here we've got 3 bedrooms.
This is one of the secondary bedrooms.
Okay. Look at the view, so pretty. Oh wow, look at the room. This is a good sized bed. This has got to be at least a queen bed,
That's
yeah?
a queen size. Yeah.
Queen size bed with plenty of space on either side.
Lots of storage area.
Yeah, what I like about the storage is that everything's built in. Oops. What I like about the storage is that everything's built in. So you've got drawers, plenty of space. And people, remember, don't bring all your stuff. You don't need all that stuff. You know, so you don't have to have a big dresser in here. Look at that one, it's closed. What's this wood again? Brazilian oak?
Brazilian oak, all Brazilian oak. Yeah.
So pretty. Okay, and every bedroom has a ceiling fan and the all-important AC, which we love. Okay, Stephen, so tell us about the view. Oh, the window.
Love these windows, look at that. Quality.
So nice, total quality, beautiful. So what are we looking at?
What we're looking at here is what will be phase 2. So
Okay.
phase 2 will have 10 more townhouses going around the perimeter wall, with also a laundry area and a big common area pool right in the center here.
Where that big pit is.
Yeah.
Nice. And so, and how many townhouses are there currently right now?
So we have 7 here in phase 1.
And how many are available?
There are 2 left available.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Hurry up.
Yeah,
Better
they're
hurry
selling
up.
quick. They're beauties.
Well, you can see why. Really nice. Okay, and on to bedroom number 2. Also lovely.
Bedroom number 2 is basically the same, just a couple feet shorter. Same width, a little bit shorter.
Yeah, just a little bit shorter, but still good size. I mean, the truth of the matter is that most people don't spend much time in their bedrooms. I mean, I guess if you get sick, or you know, you got some plans. But otherwise, people are outside just viewing all this beauty. And of course, you guys see now it's all rough now. This is what it looks like before, you know, things get cut down. But imagine just a beautiful view of a glistening pool out there, a few other neighbors, but not too many. And then just beyond those houses up there is the ocean. Really close. Okay, and so this is the first full bath upstairs that the 2 bedrooms would share. And look at the tile. Beautiful. So you do have some ventilation while you're getting privacy. Right, nice big cutout there for all your shampoos and whatnot. Toilet. Everything's brand spanking new. Great use of space. And you have some storage under the sink as well. All right.
Here's the master bedroom.
It's where the magic happens.
King size bed in this one,
Of
along
course.
with AC.
Yeah, always AC and a fan.
And a ceiling fan.
Beautiful.
Yep.
And then you're backing up to just a lot of privacy, right?
Lots of green, natural beauty.
So the pool is down there. And what I know some people are doing is that they're using this space out here to put plants. Lots of beautiful greenery is possible out here. But yeah, total privacy. You can walk around and do what you want to do here. No one's going to notice. Once again, good storage with the beautiful Brazilian oak.
What they did in this one, if you want to add a TV.
Oh, how nice.
So you can have clothes or an entertainment area.
Awesome. Right, lay in bed and just
Yep.
do what you want to do. And then, of course, the mat. Okay, and of course, the part that everyone's excited about is the exterior here. You've got a really nice sitting area. It's actually large enough, quite large enough to put a big family eating table out here, right? So you can have your meals outside. You've got 2 fans to keep you cool. Right now, there's a really nice breeze and a very private pool. So
Something we didn't touch on, Kelly, is so this floor here, for example, this is natural coral stone.
okay.
That's quarried from the island here, cut out into stone. And this is exactly what's in all the bathrooms upstairs as well, which is a very common theme here. You see it everywhere.
Yeah. What are these flowers kind of growing up the wall back there? That's pretty.
I'm not sure what they're called, but
Oh,
yeah,
they're
stick
bougainvillea.
to the wall.
Yeah, they're actually bougainvillea. Now that
Those
I
are
see 'em.
bougainvillea,
Yeah,
yeah.
with the
Yeah.
flowers on them.
Yeah.
Beautiful. And so they stick to the wall, meaning that eventually you're going to have a bunch of green beauty out here, right? Nice. Nice. So just enough room for a little bit of running around, a pet, you know, some quiet. If you don't want to go to the ocean every day, you can take a dip in your pool and just behold. Look at that. Okay, so now you've seen the home, the interior, the exterior, and now I want to ask Stephen, who is the expert, about, you know, tell us about the house. Oh, I know. Sorry.
I know what you're gonna
Sorry, you do?
ask. What everybody's thinking, probably.
Okay, tell us.
What's the price?
Yes, what's the price?
So the price is $295,000, unfurnished, but with the appliances in the kitchen.
Okay, that's good. But wait, there's more. Now, tell us about that La Confortour and some of the benefits that can come.
Exactly. So that's a big tax incentives there. So you don't pay what is normally a 3% title transfer tax, and also there's no property taxes for 15 years.
I'm sorry,
So-
can you say that one more time?
15 years.
No
Yes.
property tax for
Yes.
15 years. I want to say that may be renewable.
Yes, it can be. Yep.
You guys.
So in short, the only closing cost is a 1% lawyer fee.
Wow.
Nothing more.
That's awesome.
Yep.
And so don't quote me on this, but I have been told, in fact, it was by one of my lawyers, that under the Confortour law, some of the things, for example, you may have noticed in the bathrooms that are not mirrors, you may want to bring different appliances, even furnishings, that when you buy a property under that Confortour law, some of those customs fees are wiped out, waived. So don't quote us, but
Yeah,
That's what-
exactly.
that's okay.
There's different,
yeah.
Yeah.
So depending upon which property you buy, and I guess which section of the lot falls under, you may find yourself entitled to even more benefits with regard to VAT taxes and customs fees. So something to check on But
yeah, any project that falls under the Comforteur law is great.
yeah,
Definitely.
exactly. It's a
Yeah.
it's a gimme. It's a no-brainer.
Yeah,
for
sure.
sure. And these are brand spanking new. Nobody's been here before. There's no one else's DNA in the bathroom. You know.
Exactly.
So.
And so yeah, this is phase one. So the difference between phase one and phase two, these ones have their private pools. Phase two will not. They'll be basically the same concept, just a little bit smaller in size and no private pool.
Yeah.
And they are for sale and currently available for sale at $260,000.
Pre-construction is always a good idea.
Yeah.
When I first, I'll tell you a little story. When I first came here to Las Terrenas in 2016, I met you.
Yes.
I met Steven,
Yes.
and he picked me up on his motorcycle, and we toured all around the place. And I remember you showed me it was Montserrat too.
Yep.
A place not quite like this, but another place that was in development. Lots more units, also super beautiful, beautiful finishes. It was a 3-bedroom, like 3.5 bath, amazing for $129. I remember that. It's
$129.
seared into my brain. It was $129, and I knew then to grab it, but I didn't. And now those are selling for probably double.
Yeah, for
easily,
sure. For
easily.
sure.
So the investment is, there's no doubt that you're going to be happy about the investment, and the rental potential is, the rental income. Potential is amazing.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I mean, we're just steps from Playa Poppy right here,
Yeah.
and literally a 1-minute walk from the residence to the beach.
And I believe, again, under that Comforteur law, rental income may be, the income you see from rentals under Comforteur is non-taxable.
Tax exempt as well.
Tax exempt.
And so another thing we need to touch on are condo fees and what's included. So the developer has a lot of experience in Europe and has all his ducks in a row and well laid out. Condo fees here are only, in US dollars, maybe $185 per month. That includes your private pool maintenance, your little garden maintenance
boy.
as well. Exactly, all included.
Get a free pool boy! Oh my gosh.
Internet is included.
Wow.
Base rate of 10 megabytes per second, and it's upgradable.
And it's fiber optic, which is
Yep.
lo mejor, the best.
Yep, for sure. And then the common area
Trash.
maintenance, trash,
Gardening.
gardening. There are security cameras,
Security.
which you can be in your home country, wherever that may be, and you
Amazing.
can watch what's going on right here. Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a great deal. I have to show you one more little peek of the outside. So if you're sitting here, look at what you can see. Look at that. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm just relaxing. Oh, are you freezing in Canada? Oh, I'm so sorry. Is it so cold in Paris right now? Is it freezing in London? Oh, Wisconsin? Are you freezing? Oh, okay, well, I'm gonna have some ice cold lemonade to cool off because it sure is warm here. This could be you. This could be you.
It could be.
So Steven's a guy.
It used to be us.
It was.
do it that way.
It was. So as usual, I'm going to put Steven's information in the description box below. You know how to find me, freeislandgirl.com. Sorry, well that too, but freeislandgirl@gmail. And I'll put you in touch with Steven, who has all the information on this home and many, many others. So if this doesn't quite get it for you, let us know and we'll find you something that does. Okay?
Absolutely.
Lots of love. See you. Mwah.
Bye-bye.
Bye.